Good morning, traders. Hope you're all well. Going to take a little look at the Bitcoin chart and see where we're at. So, first of all, we're simply range bound. Okay, price is contained between these two levels. I've derived these levels from order flow, naked point of controls. Price is simply contained in here. Okay, so people are getting chopped up trying to trade this, expecting big moves, but the old adage goes, trade the range until it breaks. So, in terms of actionable setups, how would I like to get involved in the market? Well, at one of the two extremes of the range. So, I'd look for a potential long here. If we come down, we get a market structure break on the low time frames. So, that would be confirmation number one. Confirmation number two would be in the order flow. You know, a lot of liquidations, shorts FOMOing into support. So confirmation one would be a low time frame market structure break. Confirmation number two would be the order flow. Again, if we come up here, I would potentially be looking for shorts if we see a low time frame market structure break and order flow confirmation. You know, big short squeeze, big short liquidations, longs FOMOing in, a lack of a spot bid, maybe if it's perp, if the push up is perp based. But yeah, so that's my plans for the range. Now, price will eventually leave the range, okay? And if it does, what will I be looking at? Well, we've got these lows down here. And so if the market decides to break down out of the range, if we approach the range lows and we get zero confirmation for a long, no high probability long setup presents itself, I will be looking to the next level down, which is the next daily naked point of control, which lines up with the 200-day exponential moving average, and it also coincides with this breakout area. Okay, so if we do move down, if the market breaks out of this current range, I will be looking for this area here. Now, I wouldn't be blindly longing it. I'd wait for a bit of price action to play out, because Bitcoin likes to occasionally deviate the moving averages. Okay, so if we break down out of this range, I'll be looking for this general area. On the flip side, if we break out higher, I will be looking for monthly resistance at 35,000. So price is currently making higher lows, so there's no real weakness shown in the market yet. So if price just simply keeps grinding up, we get no confirmation on the low time frames for a short trade, then we could be headed for something like that. But again, I am in no current trades. I think the market is range bound at the moment. Well, it is range bound. A lot of people are getting chopped up, and I would not like to participate in that. Only high probability trades. Okay, that's my plans. I hope you find some value. Cheers.